I bet you can remember very easily what your surroundings look like. Without even opening your eyes, you can see those things made of wood. You can remember the things that were green. Wonderful, isn't it? The power of your mind. Know that in these very moments, you are rewiring your mind to be calm. Your nervous system is relaxing, and you're feeling good. All it takes is 5 to 10 minutes daily to reset everything about you, having a fresh state of mind. Now, begin to imagine there's a beautiful light coming down from above. It is going to touch the top of your head very soon, and it's going to feel really good. The light touches your head, and it melts away any tension, showering down over your body, filling you with light. Darkness vanishes from any crevices. You are pure light, reborn, so to say. In this moment, you feel like a child. And though you may have many things to do after this meditation, or have done many things before it, in this moment, you are calm, completely relaxed. You are training your mind to be clear and focused. You can call meditation in the sitting position a kind of training for your focus. You are learning how to tune in to what you want, beneficial things. Meditation is a very beneficial practice. You can hear the testimonials of millions upon millions of people who practice meditation. You will hear them say that it changed their life. Meditation does take dedication, and it is not always easy, and that's not the point. You are here to gain control over your thinking, over your body. Deepening your awareness of how you feel about things. Meditation allows you to simply observe, and good observation always gains great perspective. Let's meditate now on the breath. Begin to breathe in through your nose. See if you can fill yourself with air, and then when you let the air out, do so very slowly, like you are blowing out through a straw. Do this again in through the nose, and out very slowly. One more time. Breathe in all that fresh oxygen your body is loving. Breathing out through the mouth even slower this time.